Hello, teachers. Welcome back to Hacking YouTube channel. So this morning is I'll be trying again to have my demo lesson here at Native Camp. Okay, so I am not going to give up easily until I make it here in Native Camp. So before we proceed with the demo lesson, so you have to make sure that the you are ready with your technical requirements. So basically, we're going to check your browser, your internet speed. So as you can see here on the left side, so this is the entire application process of Native Camp. So mail confirm, basic account info, English proficiency test, which were done earlier. We pass. We got a 88% passing score. Okay. Now we are now on the demo lesson part. Okay, so as you can see, 9:31 a.m. so we can do a demo lesson. But first we have to check our technical requirements. So let's check here. Are you using the recommended browser? So let's check. Please check your internet speed. Okay. So to run the internet speed, just click the speedtest.net. This will show you how fast your internet is, how many Mbps or what's the download speed. So right here, you should select the server that you have if you're Globe or PLDT. So I'm Globe, so this is correct. If you're using PLDT, you have to change server, select PLDT Cebu City, okay? So I'm gonna click on go. Now, for now, I'll just click yes. Does your internet speed exceed the following? So click yes. There. Okay, it's running. So is your camera working properly? So let's check our camera. There you go. So I'm using A4 TAC camera. Yep, it's working. It's working properly, guys, which is good. Okay. Can you hear your own voice? Let's check if we can hear your own voice. So I'm now using. Hello. Okay, I can hear. As you can see, as you can hear, you don't hear any background noise because I am using Crisp. By the way, I have a tutorial video on how to install and set up Crisp properly. Uh, at the description of the video, you can see there my referral link for Crisp, so you can take advantage for a free version of Crisp, so you don't have to pay. So there's a charge actually. Can you see your own video? Let's check. Is your video displayed correctly? It's not showing up here. Let's check. Why is that? No. You have an issue with your environment settings. Please click here. Okay, let's check. Use camera and phone. Okay. Noted. In Windows, right click on the start button, device manager. Okay. Device manager. So let's go to device manager. Device manager. Okay. Now right here on device manager, make sure the camera is connected. It's connected. Allow access. In order to enable it, you need to allow native cam to access your camera. Please confirm the selected correct camera. Okay, so camera, A4 tech. Okay, there you go. The device is working properly. Okay. Please try updating the camera imaging device. Device manager on your screen. Driver, update driver. Okay. Close. Okay, it's all good. Noted. All right. Let's check again. good. Okay, good. Yes. Yes. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, there you go. It's working now, guys. So it's morning here. I apologize. My hair is a bit messy right now. Hello, teachers. Good morning, everyone. All right, we're good. Now we're done with the 10. Now let's go to the demo lesson. Okay, let's start with the demo lesson. Start demo lesson. Okay, stand by. So when you enter the demo lesson room, you have options here, what textbook to choose, the category, and what topic. But it depends on the facilitator which topic she would like or he would like you to use for the demo. So let's explore the dashboard of Native Camp. Okay. So we're still waiting for our facilitator to enter. So this is what the classroom of Native Camp looks like. So when you start your lesson, you should say, "Hello, welcome to Native Camp." You just basically read the highlighted text in color red. Okay. Hello, welcome to Native Camp. I'm Teacher Mark. May I know your name? All right, it's nice to meet you. Before we begin, I have a few questions for you. First, can you hear me and see me clearly? But you have to use TPR, total physical response. So let's say, hello, welcome to Native Camp. I'm Teacher Mark. May I know your name, please? Eh? All right, John. It's nice to meet you. Before we begin, I have a few questions for you. First, can you hear me and see me clearly? Is my speaking speed okay with you, or do I need to slow down? So that's TPR. Great. Perfect. Let's get started with the lesson. Our lesson for today is about advancing flavor science, smart tongue. All right. Let's have words and phrases. Let's learn some of the words that are used in the article. So for this one, guys, teachers, you don't have to read this, okay? Those statements in highlighted in color blue. They're just reminders or a niche. I mean, uh, somewhat like a clue. Now let's have the first word. Please repeat after me once. Multiple.
Multiple.
Multiple. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, guys.
Multiple.
Great. Do you have any questions? Okay. Let's move on to the next part, comprehension. Please look at the listening focus and read the directions. Are you done? All right, fantastic. Let's check the questions that you will have to answer later. Please look at the questions as I read it twice. What did a research team develop? Again, what did a research team develop? Now let's listen to the audio. It starts now.
Advancing flavor science, smart tongue. A research team developed an artificial electronic tongue system that mimics the human sense of taste. This discovery will be used in multiple industries to measure saltiness, sourness, bitterness, and sweetness simultaneously.
Well done. This time, let's proceed to answer. Well done. Let's proceed to to answer the questions. I'll read a question and please say your answer out loud. Let's start with number 1. What did a research team develop? A research team developed an artificial a research team developed an artificial electronic tongue system that mimics the human sense of taste. Great, now let's move on to the next activity, discussion. Please look at the directions. Are you done? Now please answer the questions freely or by using the situations given. I'll read a question, then you can answer freely or open the answer key to have a better idea of how to answer. Let's start with number 1. Do you think that an artificial tongue can mimic a human one? Why or why not? Computers are advanced. Yes, computers are advanced enough to accomplish this level of mimicry. AI can help the tongue learn how different foods taste. Fantastic. Fantastic. Tomorrow morning, if you wake up, it's Sunday.